The 222 Rule is a widely recognized relationship framework developed to support the maintenance of intimacy and emotional connection among couples, particularly in the context of increasingly demanding modern lifestyles. It provides a structured approach to sustaining relational satisfaction by encouraging consistent, intentional investment in shared experiences. In doing so, it aims to preserve elements of the initial honeymoon phase throughout the course of a long-term partnership or marriage. Conceptual overview of the 222 Rule. The framework is organized around 3 recurring commitments. Every 2 weeks, engage in a dedicated date night. Every 2 months, participate in a weekend getaway. Every 2 years, undertake a week-long vacation together. This temporal structure promotes regular intervals of focused interaction, thereby reinforcing relational bonds over time. Significance for marital health. The 222 Rule is considered beneficial due to its emphasis on proactive relationship maintenance rather than reactive problem-solving. Its advantages include sustained prioritization of the relationship. It ensures that the marital bond remains central despite competing responsibilities, such as professional obligations or family demands. Enhancement of emotional and physical intimacy. Scheduled, uninterrupted time together facilitates deeper interpersonal connection. Improved communication dynamics. Regularly designated time for interaction allows partners to exchange thoughts, address concerns, and remain attuned to one another's experiences. Reduction of relational stagnation. By interrupting routine patterns, the framework mitigates the risk of partners transitioning into a purely functional or cohabitative dynamic. Promotion of positive anticipation. Planned shared activities contribute to increased relational satisfaction through the expectation of enjoyable experiences. Practical considerations for implementation. While the 222 Rule provides a clear structure, it should be interpreted as a flexible guideline rather than a rigid prescription. Adaptations may be necessary to accommodate financial, logistical, or personal constraints. For instance, weekend trips may be substituted with local or home-based alternatives. Furthermore, the quality of interaction should be prioritized, with an emphasis on minimizing external distractions. Shared responsibility in planning activities is also recommended to ensure equity and mutual engagement. In conclusion, the 222 Rule underscores the importance of intentionality in relationship maintenance. By fostering regular, meaningful interactions, it supports the ongoing development and resilience of romantic partnerships as they evolve over time. If you found this topic insightful and would like to explore similar discussions on relationships and personal development, consider subscribing, sharing, and leaving a comment to engage further.